Hi there, beautiful people. Thank you for clicking on this video. Today's show and tell is going to be on the Outré's Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig in the style Jenny in the color DR Chocolate Cream. So if you want to see this, please keep watching. Alright there, beautiful people. So this is Outré's Melted Hairline Lace Front Wig in the style Jenny in the color DR Chocolate Cream. So Jenny is really pretty. Her density is really thick. She doesn't have a silky texture. She has a really just kind of dull luster, which is really pretty. The color, Outré always does color very wonderfully, I think. I do like it better when they frame your face with highlights on their wigs, but this one they didn't do that on. However, I still like this wig. It's not my favorite. My favorite is Rianne out the box. I'm just a bob type of girl, and I love that color, that ginger brown. However, this is DR Chocolate Cream, and I like this one as well. She is big head friendly for my girls that have a bigger head. My head is a medium, a 22.5 inch. So if your head is bigger than mine, she will fit. I do have her glueless on the sides, but I did glue her down in the top and kind of right here. I leave her glueless on the sides, number one, because the hair is kind of pulled over your ears so nobody can really see. Number two, because she's so big on my head, sometimes the side tabs come over my ears. So it makes it hard for me to glue her down. I try, but you know, moving around, she pops up. So she never stays glued. So I just don't do it anymore. It's just something I learned because I understand that when they're too big on my head, that's what's going to happen. Now I could use that strap, but that strap makes her too tight on my head, so I don't like to use that either. So I usually cut that out. I've left it in because this wig I'm going to give away. So the person I'm giving it to may want the strap, so I haven't cut the strap out. However, it does kind of leave a little hump because I did leave the strap in there. It doesn't matter. She's really beautiful. The curls out the box came like this. There's very little shedding. There is no tangling. I can run my fingers totally through her. I haven't had any tangling at all. So she's really pretty. You know, like I said, the only con I have is that she's too big for my head. But would I rock her? Absolutely. Do I think she's gorgeous? Absolutely. She's not too long. She comes just past my shoulders, and she would be a wonderful summer, winter, whatever fall season cut that you want to wear her in. I think she's absolutely beautiful. She's a day or night type of girl. And if you want to rock her, rock her. Let me give you a 360 of what she looks like. This is the top. This is the left side. This is the right side. This is the back. Like I said, she's really thick. You can't really see any straps. I actually didn't even braid my hair down. I have it like in a ponytail pinned in. And so I think she's really beautiful. Let me know if you have her. I know that she's been reviewed before. I'm a little behind the cap in the game. But I had her in my stockpile, and I decided to just put a show and tell up in my own views on what she felt like for me. So if you have Jenni, or if you're planning on purchasing Jenni, let me know in the comments section. Let me know anything that you might like. She had a lot of baby hairs, and I don't really do baby hairs. They're just not for me. If you like baby hair, she had a lot for you to swoop whenever you wanted to. Like I said, I just don't do them because I don't swoop very well. Just me. I'm practicing. I'm working on it, but it just doesn't work for me. And also, my hairline is a lot lower, so I have baby hair. So whenever I just want to do it, I just cut back the lace far enough to where I can pull my own baby hairs out, and then I'll incorporate a little bit of the wig here, and that works well for me when I do want baby hairs. But I usually don't like them on my forehead, so I just don't do them. If you like Jenni, I will have her linked in the description box where I purchased her from. Like I said, leave me some comments. Let me know how you styled her or what you think of her. And like always, I ask you to join the family. We're friendly. Not too friendly, but I'm friendly. And subscribe, like, share. And until next time, I'll see you later, guys. All right, bye.